They don't care about us. They don't care about our tradition. They don't care about our welfare. Isipin nyo, nakita ko ng isang meme eh. May meme. Flood control, X. Food control, check. Ikaw na lang talaga mag-adjust. Magutom na kung magutom. Goodness. Oh. Our manufacturers are cooperating to give the consumers and also to support the direction of the president. The direction of the president is for us to actually settle for a 500 pesos Noche Buena. Lagi na lang bare minimum, sabi ni Nip. Hindi pa nga bare minimum yan eh. That's not enough.